Let's solve this question now.
Question 7 where hydrogen sulfide burns in an excess of oxygen according to the equation shown. 2H2S3O2, 2H2O, 2SO2, 40 of hydrogen sulfide is burnt. Which volume of sulfur dioxide will be formed at room temperature and pressure? Since the reactants and products are in a gaseous form, the same number of moles means the same volume. The moles of hydrogen sulfide and sulfur dioxide in the balanced equation are both 2, so the volume ratio is 2 to 48 cm3 of hydrogen sulfide is burnt. So to find the volume of sulfur dioxide formed, we can use the ratio of the moles volume, 48 cm3 to 48 cm. Therefore, the volume of sulfur dioxide formed is, 48 cm3 die.
If you find this question difficult, you need to revise the relevant topics from cambridgeclassroom.com.